You, Eric D, back at you once again. I just glad y'all stopped by. I just got my Gopowersports package in. You know what I'm saying? Direct from Gopowersports. And yeah, man. So we're gonna put we're trying to install the live axle kit today. So this is good timing. I'll show you a couple of things that I got. This nice race slick on a hub, and it comes with the 1-inch axle. Gopowersports call it the mini bike live axle kit. So the whole kit comes with an axle, of course, a sprocket hub. I got a new split sprocket. I'm gonna start off with the 53 tube. Of course, it's got the disc brake, and it comes with like a hub for the disc brake. And you know, everything kind of fits all nice on the axle. And the axle's got like an axle key, so you gotta lock everything in with this little rectangular little key that keeps everything in place. So it's a nice little setup, man. Especially this sprocket holder. Switch the sprockets out real quick. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to gain some speed, lose some speed, you know, whatever you want to do. So that's a nice little setup. It comes with a bracket and a bearing holder. So a bracket and bearing holder, you know, bolt together, and I think I figured out how to get it on there. So what we're gonna do is just make this real simple, cut some slots right into the tubing, right in the back of the frame. So hopefully that'll work out. So we'll slide them in, that way they're nice and stiff in the metal, and good contact to weld to, nice and strong. See what else we got here. Oh yeah, we got the fully adjustable motor plate for the small block. So that'll work out nice. We'll have to get that in. We'll have to cut out the old one and move it back a little bit. That way you can adjust the motor and tighten the chain and everything all at once on the fly. So that'll work out real good. Oh yeah, the hydraulic brake bracket is in there. A live axle hub. This is a hub for the wheel. I actually got another wheel coming. It's more of like a street wheel, and that way I can switch them in and out. You know, if I got a race, or you know, I just want to ride. So that's the hub for that. And hopefully the wheel will be in. It's gonna be an 8-inch wheel, a little bit wider, and that way I can put a street tire on it too. And, nice hub right here. Well made, well crafted. You know, Gopowersports be doing their thing, man. I try to find other places, but it seems like they always go back to Gopowersports. And got some of these axle brackets and clamps, ring clamps, to kind of hold everything together, like hold the wheel in place, the disc brake where you want it, the sprocket where you want it, and hold the whole thing together really. Once you get it on the axle on the bearings, holds everything in place. So let's get started. I'm gonna have to cut off all these brackets. I don't need this brake bracket anymore. So I'm cutting off all the brackets. Grinding my welds down. You don't need any of the old brackets. Cause I put an 8-inch stretch on this frame. I don't know if y'all tuned in last time, the time before. So none of that stuff's gonna line up, so you don't need any of the old brackets. So get rid of all that. And, this is my slot. I put my slot in right in the back of the frame. So the axle bracket should fit right on in there. It sits up there now. All I gotta do is just tap it back, and cut up a little higher, and this is what it looks like. It'll fit in there real nice, and we'll weld them in, man. I like the fact they just in there tight already, right where I want them. I line them up. All we gotta do is weld them in. So you got those right out of the box. And I appreciate Gopowersports. Made it simple. I thought I was gonna have to make some new brackets and stuff like that. So that worked out real good. Got a nice 1/4-inch steel bracket. So plenty to weld to, and it'll be even stronger than it was before. And, originally there was just a 1-inch bracket. I mean, compared to these brackets, I'm surprised the factory brackets didn't fall off. And, these new ones, they definitely ain't going nowhere. They're meaty and beefy. Weld these in and go from there. So there you have it, 2 live axle brackets in place with bearing holders from Gopowersports. Gopowersports, appreciate it. Worked out great. So next time we'll be doing the hydraulic brakes.